How would you say I would like a piece of bread? You would say in French, je voudrais un morceau de pain. Je voudrais un morceau de pain. Now, do you write je voudrais or je voudrais? Which one is right? They both sound the same. Voudrais. Not voudrais, voudrais. All right, so this one or this one. Does it end with an S or with a T? Now, the right answer is this one. It ends with an S. This is the conditional tense. And at the first person, je voudrais, it always ends with an S. Je voudrais, first person conditional tense, ends with an S. So, je voudrais un morceau de pain. It's this one. How would you say, I succeeded? You say, j'ai réussi. J'ai réussi. Réussi. Not réussi. It's like, now you say it fast, it goes like j'ai réussi, right? But do you write it j'ai réussi or j'ai réussi? They both sound the same, but which one is the right form when you conjugate the verb to succeed at the passé composé, right? J'ai réussi. So, ends with an I or with an IS. A few seconds. It's this one. It ends with the letter I, right? It's conjugated. J'ai réussi ends with an I at the passé composé. Always. How would you say I met a friend? You would say j'ai rencontré un ami. I met a friend. J'ai rencontré un ami. J'ai rencontré un ami. Now, how do you write the verb? J'ai rencontré or j'ai rencontré un ami. They both sound the same, but they don't end the same, right? Rencontrer ends with ER at the infinitive form, or when it's conjugated with the E accent aigu at the end, right? So, passé composé of the verb to meet. Which one? A few seconds. It's this form, the one ending with the accent aigu. All right? At the passé composé, first person, E accent aigu, always. How would you say, I will go later? You say, j'irai plus tard. J'irai plus tard. J'irai plus tard. I will go later. Now, do you say j'irai or j'irai? They both sound the same. J'irai. Think of the tense here. J'irai. It's the verb to go at the future tense. First person. Je. Right? J'irai. Like, I will go. J'irai with an S or without? It's this one. J'irai without an S. Future tense, first person, never takes an S at the end. It's always without an S. Future tense, first person, never takes an S. J'irai plus tard. I will go later.